What you believe determines everything. If creation is true, then there's a creator. If evolution is true, there is no creator. If creation is true, that means there's rules to life. If evolution is true, there are no rules to life. If creation is true, there is a purpose to life. If evolution is true, there is no purpose to life. If creation is true, then man is a fallen creature and we need a savior. If evolution is true, man is an evolving creature. We don't need any savior. If creation is true, then man brought death into this world. If evolution is true, death is actually what brought man into this world. If creation is true, there is an afterlife. If evolution is true, there isn't one. If creation is true, then you can have comfort in knowing the future. If evolution is true, there's absolutely no hope of knowing the future. What you believe determines everything.